Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and change position in MLB The Show 23. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your The Show 23. And right over here, first of all, you're gonna set up your player all completely. Then afterwards, if you would like to switch to, you have to go to the main tab where you can create a ball player for yourself. Simply once you are in this kind of area where you can say you create a new ball player, go ahead, tap on it and set up yourself the kind of a player that you would like to switch to, right? A case the position. Once you're done completing it, you have to go to this tab and tap on the save as it has shown here in this red box. Once you have saved that particular position, you will be able to again go back to your home screen, and here in this section you can see road to the show, and here in this section you will be able to find this load save file. So here in this load save file, you gotta tap on it, and what the file you're gonna save is the file that you created, aka the new player file, which is for you to switch the position to. Simply go ahead, choose that particular file and switch your particular position. So the key to for you to change the position is simply you have to create a new ball player. Once you have selected, you will be able to find that particular position on top in the red box, which you can just choose and play with that and simply change the position with it. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.